Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Etsy sellers want to sell digital downloads on Etsy. In this video, we will show you how to set up your Etsy shop to sell digital products. Follow along as we create listings, set prices, and optimize your shop for success. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first of all, you will need to go to Etsy.com. Click right here and open this website. As you can see, this is Etsy shop. So to start using it, first of all, click on sign in right through here and then click on register. Click on continue with Google and you will be taken to a page where you can simply log with your Google accounts. So it's pretty simple. Click on continue, give it some access and permissions, and you will be good to go. So there it is, my account, and now shop. Click on shop manager so you can manage your shop. Now let's go to the beginning because there is a lot of things to actually manage before we get our shop ready to go. So first of all, the shop preferences. We need to add something in here. So first of all, set up the language. So change language here I show to be English, so you cannot change your language once you have saved it. Then shop country, choose it to be, for example, the United States of America, and shop currency has to be the United States dollar. Save and continue. Click next. So here we have name of your shop, so give it whatever name you want, then continue, and here stock your shop. So basically this area we are going to add our digital products. Now there is a lot of things to actually sell in Etsy. Well, there are plenty of stuff to sell. So here, as you can see, in this area itself you will be able to add the digital files. So let's start first of all by selecting digital files, and here I'm going to start by choosing digital stuff. Let's just, for example, digital, just like that. And here, who made it? For example, I did. What is it? Finished products. And when was it made? Let's choose, for example, 2020, 2024. And production, here we can production partner is anyone who's not a part of your Etsy shop, a partner in this product. You can mention it right there. So let's click and save and continue. And here we need to add more details about that specific digital product that we are going to sell on Etsy. So first of all, let's add the name. Let's start and create something that might be good. So for example, we are selling a product. So let's name this product, for example, solutions for everything. So for example, this digital products, you simply have to download it, install it, and once you open it, you have a screen whenever you want to fix something or you're searching for a tutorial for a specific thing, you will have that video for its exactly appearing to you. So photos and video, we can add, for example, here anything. Let's add I don't know what to do exactly here. Let me just grab something, app UI, and let's just simply take a picture of something, like for example this one. So I'm going to simply take here a screenshot. Let's save it and take it to desktop. Let's name it app products and add here the actual thing. It should be right here, like that, and this is the photo. So here what I'm gonna do is upload the digital files, so buyers can download these files as soon as they complete their purchase. It could be add up to 5 files, and this is what we are going to talk about in this video. So how to set digital downloads on Etsy, which is basically how you can simply not simply sell digital files. For example, digital files can be literally a ChatGPT account, it can be a Netflix account, but in this video we want something that can be downloaded. So this is where you have to put the file that will be downloaded after the purchase has been completed. So I'm simply going here and let's go back here. Yeah, let's go to my desktop right here. I'm going to create, for example, Windows archive file, and I'm going to name it, for example, app solutions for everything. This is something, and I'm going to drop this here, so the image that we have downloaded in the file, and I'm going to add it to be in here. So yeah, something like that. So this is everything.raw, this is download, etc, etc. So this is good. Now let's add a description. This app will help you throughout your entire life. Just throughout your entire life will give you solutions depending let me just write solution depending on the situation you are on, using our AI and the prompts getting from you. So this is basically it. So I'm gonna just click like that, work on it, insert this app. So this is like an application that I use called Grammarly. So this app will assist you throughout your life by providing solutions based on your current situation using our AI and the prompts we receive from you. So this is very, very good. Now for the price, let's set it at, for example, $20 per month, or basically it is a one-time purchase, so $20. So here, tagged and attribute, there is primary color, there is nothing such that. Secondary color, we don't have such things for our application because it is an application, there is no colors or stuff like that. So yeah, details, digital color, etc, etc, return and exchange, no returns, no exchange, subsection, add a new section which is called digital, and click on save. And here, renewal option, each renewal lasts for 4 months or until the listing sells out. Let's make it manual, so our renew expired listing myself. And finally, after you finish with that, click on save and continue. Please fix the following error in order to save your changes. Where are the error? Let me just go ahead. Oh yeah, the price has to be here. This is the quantity, my bad. So here the price. Okay, that's good. Save and continue. And yeah, this is our product. So the first listing, this is the product, and it is now ready to go. Now you simply have to do this later. Finish your profile. So here you have to provide some informations about you, put your business informations, your credit card, etc, 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 and then you have to simply have some shop security, like they will give you some security questions so you can save them, and then you will be good to go. So yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. This is how you can set up your digital downloads on Etsy. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.